Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background, add in like another background on CapCut PC. So select your video, go to cutout. You can use customize cutout, but you need CapCut Pro for this, so just select auto cutout. Sorry for like the weird glitch, by the way, it's my disk space. So go to basic and select canvas to add in like a color or like a picture here like that, or if you want to add in your own, just put it to the second track, go to library and add in another background and just scale that up, and that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!